Hey, let's show you how to sync data out of Boost.space using AI generated synchronization template. So click on add new data share. So it's taking data out of Boost.space. Choose the module that you want to load data from. Click continue, choose your tool. So now Google Contacts will be used for the purpose of this demonstration. And inside the scenario, we do have manually crafted template here, but I want to show you how to work with the AI, because some tools we don't have the manually crafted templates for. So for the purpose of this video, I will choose the AI and let's see how it copes with creating scenario for the way out for you. So choose this, go next. And now that's a very important moment to give correct instruction for your synchronization. So you have to choose corresponding watch modules, corresponding triggers, I would say, from the third-party tools. So we want to choose how to get a record. So we're going to be synchronizing contacts in this case. So we're going to get a contact here. We want to choose create a record. So it's called create contact in Google Contacts, and update a record. So we're looking for something like update a contact. So why? Because we have to instruct our AI to know which endpoints to use so that it can craft your template. Some tools are more complicated than Google Contacts, and think about your e-commerce solution. It might have many different entities like orders, products, different types of data that it can synchronize, and you have to tell our AI engine which data is it that you want to synchronize. With Google Contacts, we are set and ready to start creating the template. So this is the connection that will be created. I can click next and continue. So now the magic is happening. The AI is working hard, and in a few seconds I will have the data synchronization template ready. So as you can see, it's a little bit more complex scenario than on the way in, and that's because we not only have to sync data to the third-party tool, but we also have to get back some information about whether it was successfully saved, remote IDs, so that we can then work and orchestrate two-way synchronization. So it's always the best practice now to click at the right side on the first trigger and run this module only first, which will just load one record of data here, and it will also load all the custom fields. And it's very important to do that, because then when you are mapping fields in the follow-up modules, it will be able to map also those custom fields. So this is important thing to do, and right now we need to do few steps. So let's start with creating or selecting connections for our Google Contacts. So I already have a connection here, so we can use that. Google Contacts connection number 3, and continue. It's asking me actually to extend my permissions, because I am now asking Google to actually update the data here. So it extends the scope of this connection, and we have the connection ready. So now we can use the AI mapping feature, so map the fields. So let's do that. It will try to map the corresponding fields from the Boost.space to the Google Contacts. It takes about 10 seconds. It's good to really check whether everything is correct. We are still, working on the accuracy, try to improve the accuracy. And actually, you see that here for the emails and phones, you have the map field selected. So I prefer, and it works better if you uncheck it, and if you actually add the email item here. This is better option. So I'll choose the email here. So this is basically fixing some of the AI mapping for us. Also for the phone number, let's do that manually, but I feel the AI was successful in helping